I think it goes with the same. You can put it on in the office.
Yes, absolute office wear.
Okay. The another one is the t-shirt. Okay, you
Yes,
go
that's
to a club, a Saturday kind of.
Yes.
The next to that is quite a casual one. Fine.
But you can wear it for a Saturday,
Yeah, you can. No problem.
to work. If I look behind, can you please? Okay, yeah. We have a beautiful blue dress, but that is obviously not for a formal. It's not a formal wear at all. It's an absolute party wear because it has a lot of sequins inside. Plus, the color is too bright. Even the other one next to it, the green one,
Okay.
again, it's a little too showy for
Okay.
an office. And if I ever wear it to office, people have to ask me, is it your birthday today? Is it your anniversary today?
Same is the
No,
case
it's
with the
not.
last shirt as well.
Yeah,
It's purely
absolutely.
party wear.
Absolutely party
Okay.
wear.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, students.
Yeah. So this is what we talked about, the kind of dresses. Even if you look, if we
Yes,
take
we
a
have
look,
the Elizabethan
Yeah, we
clothes,
have the Elizabethan
slide as
clothes,
well.
but
Can we look at the slide, please? Look at this.
this is so
And this.
stifling. If you remember the movie Titanic, okay,
Yes, I do.
and when Kate's mom, when she was dressing her up for the ball, she was really tying her dress up so tight. I thought she would just die of claustrophobia. But that's the way it was. And imagine women used to wear
Okay.
it all the time.
That's what it says, right?
Yes, it's completely stifling.
Yes. Do you know, madam, distance also matters when you talk.
Distance does matter, but how does it matter when you talk?
You know, there are categories of it. There are certain distances when we meet friends, we are close to each other. If you go to Punjab, they'll pull you up, hugging
Oh,
every now
absolutely
and
lift
then.
you, not even pull
and
you,
if you go
yes.
to Britain, you'll find the people quite formal, as we had the enactment over there.
Yeah, absolutely.
And they are very conscious in maintaining the distances because they have the space. Perhaps that's the reason, I don't know.
Okay.
But distance does matter. If you have a big office table and you are sitting behind it, okay, and a big chair, it conveys that you are the authority here. And if you have a small table, it means that it's not authoritative.
So it's
fine?
about space. It's also about space along
it's
with
about
distance.
space. It's about distance. Can we look at the slide, please? Look at this photograph, mother and child, the closest distance you'll ever find. Okay.
Absolutely, I agree.
And this is generalized in this next slide. They say intimate distance, okay, intimate space between two is 1.5 feet generally. The personal space we have is 1.5 to 4 feet.
Okay.
The social space we have is 4 to 12.
Okay, with
And
our
again, the
friends,
public
yes.
space is 12 feet and beyond. Okay.
Okay, so this is what happens in these public meetings or one of these or any of these
Absolutely,
politician
absolutely.
speech or something. You always see a big distance between the stage and the audience.
Absolutely.
Okay, so
and
that's
when
more formal.
somebody is not intimate to you and you cross your limit and go nearer,
It
it
make
conveys
them-
a meaning.
absolutely,
Okay,
yes.
and it might
Be
get
a little offensive
odd,
as well.
odd,
Yes.
odd as well.
Okay.
So space, distance as intimacy, and space distance as status.
Status,
We have a
okay.
beautiful enactment for that as well.
Okay, let's watch
Can
it
we
then.
just look at the enactment once again, please? Conveying the message, intimacy. Friends.
Like
They
best
are
friends, huh?
friends.
Best
friends. Look at the body language, look at the space. They're very
It's
close
really
to each
little.
other. Very happy.
They also touch each other. They can hold hands while talking,
every
and
now
that's
and then.
only
Yes,
possible in an
absolutely.
intimate relationship only. They have so much to gossip. But this would not be so true
See,
of a
hugging
boy
once
and a
again.
girl also, sir.
Okay,
Since
yeah,
we have
gender
to-
difference is
yeah,
always
even
there.
if they are best friends, there would still be this personal space. Even if
It
it
is
is,
always there.
I think
It
it
is
will be a little more than what we are seeing now.
Absolutely. They're touching their hands every now and then. Look at the official
Oh, they look like
little
executives.
status
Okay.
is there. So look at the body language. They shook the hands and
It's a very beautiful usage of gestures, postures that they are showing here, and also about hands. Look at the way they use it.
Manuel, these are students who are doing this.
It's really beautiful. Look at the distance. It's so suggestive.
Absolutely.
They do look like friends, but since they are at work, they're maintaining or they're keeping the distance.
So if you find someone like this talking, you can understand that, they are the executives talking to each other. The body language as well and the distance between these two.
Okay.
That was wonderful.
And
that
that's
was
why when
wonderful
we
once
also
again.
talk about intrusion, or we talk about, intrusion
Absolutely.
of
Yes.
space. It's also one where it's also when one person is not too comfortable with getting close and the other person makes the move. I think that is also what leads to intrusion in terms of breaking somebody's space
Exactly.
and distance. Okay. And
This happens in the class as well.
oh yes,
When
it
you are
does.
on the dais and talking all the time,
And when
and
you're
secondly,
when you start
when
walking
go
between
into them,
the
and talk,
rows, yes.
it shows the intimacy with the students.
Students,
You
yes.
might have felt that.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, can we
So-
look at the slide, please? Distance, intimate distance, no more than 18 inches apart. Mom and baby, as we saw. Personal distance, that is 18 inches to 4
4
feet.
feet,
Casual and personal
personal
conversations. Social distance, that is 4 to 12 feet. Impersonal business, social gatherings. Public distance, that's more than 12 feet. So this is what the distance is. Distance also matters when you
Yes, it
talk.
does.
Distance is a non-verbal cue. Distance does matter when you talk to someone, when you communicate to someone.
Okay.
The another thing we need to talk on and about that
is
is
about I'm going to talk about.
please go ahead.
It's about colors.
Ah,
And I have this beautiful slide for you, and I want you to take a guess. What do these colors tell you?
colors. Tell.
Yes. What do these colors tell you? What does
I
pink
understand.
mean to you?
Okay,
If you
Fine.
look at this pink, what does it tell you?
a romantic color, perhaps.
Romantic? Oh,
Okay.
that's the way you think. I think it's about being in the pink of health.
Okay.
Okay? Of being nice and healthy. Okay, so what does yellow tell you?
Van Gogh.
Van Gogh, absolutely.
right?
Sun. Yeah, it has to be about it. And blue?
Cool.
Cool, absolutely.
say
It's one of
that?
my favorite colors, and I love blue.
Okay.
But I don't like being blue.
Okay.
Okay,
That's all
not
right.
in the blue mood, but I like the color blue.
That was a nice cut.
And then
Okay.
it's green.
Okay. Harvesting greenery.
Not harvesting exactly, but
Prosperity.
yes, prosperity. Yes,
Okay,
it
yeah.
does. And finally, red means keep quiet and go ahead.
Okay.
Just stop. Okay, so finally, you are convinced that colors do have
Yes,
meanings. They
yes,
do
yes.
communicate. They do
They
tell.
definitely can.
Yes.
There's no doubt.
Okay, now I'm also going to show you another slide.
Okay.
I'm sure you're convinced with this one.
They do convey, no problem.
They do. Signs and symbols. Now, signs and symbols are these they're just basically illustrations or drawings which are understood by at least a specific group of people.
Okay.
I can't have a personal sign or a symbol. Okay, I can decide it with you
Okay.
that this is the way I'm going to tell you. You
Okay.
remember the thing about that Lal Gulab in old films?
Yeah. I
You're
do.
going to be this man somewhere और उसके हाथ में एक लाल गुलाब होगा. So
Okay.
that is one sign which is again mutually decided.
Okay.
So that's about signs and symbols. If you look at religious symbols, you look at road signs, all of them communicate so much. Imagine if you were going on a road and if you see that U-turn sign,
Okay.
and instead of this, if you look at it and you found वहाँ पे अगर ऐसा लिखा हो, please take a U-turn.
Okay.
And that's going to consume time, also cause accidents because you're going to wait there, read it, and then take signs. So the best way is that we have a nice sign for it where you can simply take a U-turn. So similarly, but we are not going to take a U-turn. We're going straight ahead.
We can't.
So let's have a look at a few signs and symbols on the slide, please.
Okay,
Now,
what's this?
this sign is understood. It may not be understood by us, but it is understood by the military, by the Navy people
Okay.
here. If you can have a look at this.
Landing of the
yes,
helicopter,
yes, it is
perhaps?
about
Yeah.
landing.
Okay.
And if you look, there are 3 different signs that are being used here.
Okay.
This is a sign for
Victory.
victory,
No doubt in
but
it.
not in all cultures. And there are certain cultures where this sign is offensive as well.
Oh
I'm
my.
not sure which one, but there are a few cultures
Okay.
where this sign is also offensive. Also, it may mean 2 to me.
It could be. Yes.
It
you're
will
right.
simply mean 2. Okay.
What about this?
Yes, we have gains ahead. This is a nice road sign, but it also shows a lot of money. So exciting. Next one, please. Then we have graphs, maps, and charts.
Okay. Yes, they are
Imagine if
non-verbal.
yes,
yes,
they
no
are.
doubt in
Because
it.
imagine if you had to go to a 200 or 300 page report.
Okay.
pages report. It would be so monotonous, so boring, with words and words everywhere. So graphs, maps, and charts, they break monotony.
Okay.
They also make complex data easily understandable.
Okay.
And if I have to review, for example, the sales figures for the last 5 months, or I'm sorry, for the past 5 years,
Okay.
it would be so complex going through every month in every year. But a graph like this or a pie chart like this would make the data so easily understandable.
Okay.
You agree with me in this?
I do. There is no doubt.
Okay.
in it.
And have you read that book, by the way, about what is that book? Which is about why men can't do something and women can't read maps?
Ah, yes,
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 you've
yes,
read
yes.
that? Okay, but women can read maps.
Okay.
Okay.
Agree. No
Agree?
problem.
Okay. Next one, please.
Okay. Now, on an average,
Okay.
whatever we have talked about, non-verbal communication means without words, whatever. It could be para-language, what you say, how you say. It could be kinesis. It could be color, signs, and symbols, as we said. It could be distance, mode of dress, mode of time, everything, right? So without words, you're conveying something, and that is non-verbal. And we convey the messages non-verbally far, far, far more and better way, than verbal messages.
Okay.
I have an idea, if you don't mind.
Yeah.
Can we have a small quiz with the students when they are in the studio, so we can
Only
arrange a
only
small...
on one condition. Do I participate?
No.
Okay. So I'm on the other side of the table, students, and I'm going to ask you questions now. Okay.
You can do that. Look at the slide, please. Students, all of you look at the slide, please.
Let's take a guess.
Okay. Now you have to tell me, friends, that what do you understand by this posture? Okay, I'm going to show you one posture, and you have to just tell me what this posture conveys
Or
to
the-
you. Okay.
Gesture or the posture.
Okay.
What
Fine.
does this
If you
gesture
find
mean?
two hands like this, when do I do this? When do you do this? Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
Yeah,
Please go ahead.
absolutely. Please go ahead.
whenever I ask my father for any permission,
Okay.
then he always does this action that and says, "Let me see." So I
Okay.
think this
Let me
posture is
see.
of-
Let me see
It's about
is
let
one
me
meaning.
see. Let
That's
me see
very
is
nice
one.
of
Okay,
you.
that's interesting.
Yeah, go ahead.
please.
Tell me.
According to my point of view, it may be authoritative.
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 Yes.
Okay, that's
Okay.
okay. And anyone else? It conveys something else as well.
I
Yes.
think it's pondering, sir.
Pondering. Okay. Yeah, it is a meaning in it. No doubt in it.
Profound. Yeah.
Go ahead. Now they are taking interest in it. Okay. Please.
I think it should be a. I think he's thinking something.
Even you're thinking and even he's thinking. I agree to this.
That's
It's
great.
okay. Oh,
Yeah,
yes, of course.
go
It's
ahead.
okay. And one more.
I guess it's considering.
As in considering an idea or an
yeah,
option?
yeah, considering
Oh,
an
yes,
idea.
Of course.
Absolutely.
Of course.
These are the meanings. So look at the next posture, please. So this is, let me see, authoritative, pondering, thinking,
Thinking, or
considering. These are the meanings coming out of it. Fine. I'm just typing them down. Good. Next one, open palm.
Open palm.
Okay. What does this mean? What does this,
Yeah,
Yeah.
please, please.
Gayatri? Okay, tell me.
I think it suggests that can I help you please?
Okay,
Can I help you? Yeah, that could be the meaning of it. Okay.
Yeah,
Yes.
It shows trust me.
Trust,
Trust
me.
me.
Trust me.
please.
That's it.
Finally, trust me. Yes.
And it conveys something else. There is one more message.
Yeah, sure.
It says that you are in safe hands, or say you are in good hands.
Okay, yeah. You're
safe
safe. Okay, you're in safe hand. Yeah,
Yeah.
of course. It does mean that.
Oh, yeah,
Okay.
please. We have one more.
It says helping hand.
Helping
Helping
hand.
hand. Okay.
Okay.
That is also a meaning coming out of it. Okay, so we have.
So I want to add one. Can you please give me something? I want it.
Oh my God.
Okay.
So these are the overall meanings of
Yes,
this. Okay.
yes.
Now we have some photographs.
And
ma'am,
now I'm going to take charge of it.
go ahead. No
Yes.
problem.
Can we please look at the photographs?
Ah.
So, now what does this tell you? Yeah, please.
From this poster, we can say that she's totally carefree at the moment.
Absolutely carefree. She has to be. And I think she's got a new job because she's sitting with her headphones on and with her legs on the table. So, what does this woman have to say to you?
According to my understanding, I guess she's upset.
She's upset. Yes, I think somebody's hurt her and she's really upset. Okay. Next, please. Now, what is
My.
this handsome boy
She wants to
doing?
say something.
Shloka, you
Yes,
really can't
please,
resist,
please.
huh? Okay, hurry
Tell
up.
me, what do you think?
Read so many papers.
and lost somewhere, I think, in love.
Okay. Shloka, but if you really remember, we had the video ahead and even you were lost somewhere. I hope it's not mutual, huh?
Look at
I
the photo.
absolutely hope.
Look at the photograph once again, please.
Yeah.
Okay.
think
Yes,
I think
yes.
let
Now
us
I agree.
thinking.
I
Absolutely
agree to you.
Okay. Can we have the next one?
Another.
Oh. Yes. Yeah, please, please.
Please go ahead.
I think he has lost the game.
Yeah.
He's lost the game. So
So
one
quite
loses. One is lost in love and the other is lost in game. Oh, that's really bad. Okay.
Look at this photograph now.
Yeah, please. Somebody's really enthusiastic here. You need to switch it on. Yes.
Suppose he's just not interested in his work,
Just
at
not-
office work or.
So maybe he's lost somewhere else. Okay. The next one. Oh yes.
That girl wants to say something. Yes,
Oh my
please.
god, we have to just look at her face. She's so
Okay, so can you
confident,
please
isn't
just show
she?
it again?
Ah.
Yeah, she's so
Confident.
confident.
Okay. Show the photograph once again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Absolutely confident.
You mean to say she's confident?
Yeah, she's confident.
She is confident, and with that file in her hand, I think she's here for a job, and her confidence tells me she will get it.
Yeah, it does. Oh,
Oh. I hope that's not for me, huh?
It seems she says it's enough.
I see. I had my fears. I hope it's not for me, and I'm saying it's not for me. Let's go on to the next one.
what does this man say?
Yes.
Yes.
I think he's thinking of that something like shares and disturb. So he's
Okay,
just worried
shares
for
and
shares.
stock markets. I think we could have easily replaced that photograph with yours.
Hope not.
So that's the
Okay,
end of it?
so
Okay. So finally, if we sum up all that we have done today, I mean, if we talk about non-verbal behavior and the interpretation of every non-verbal behavior, we have it on our slide, and this can help all our students keep or take a control of their non-verbal behavior.
when they communicate.
Yes.
Absolutely.
And even when they are not verbally communicating.
Exactly.
Okay. Now, if you look at the first thing, it's about a brisk, erect walk. If you walk straight with your back upright, with your chin up, it would easily mean that you are a confident person, just like what we saw in the slide.
Absolutely.
Second would be about standing with hands on hips.
Okay.
Like if you have your hands on the hips, it will be nice aggression, readiness. I'm just here to take the task. Absolutely simple. Sitting with legs crossed, okay, foot kicking slightly. Okay, this is boredom, and we see a lot of people doing this. If you have your legs crossed, but then I think I differ over here, because for this we need to observe a person's behavior,
Absolutely.
non-verbal behavior for a period of time.
It implies so many of the things when you are
and
looking at
and
the
if it's only done
posture
out of
or a
habit,
gesture.
yeah, and
Absolutely.
if it's done out of habit, like
Could
most
be.
people have a habit of moving or shaking their legs while sitting,
Okay.
and it may not actually convey boredom. They are interested, but it's only because of habit that they are doing it. So
That's
I think
another
these
meaning of
people
it.
need to take a check.
It's your
because
interpretation,
it
absolutely.
may convey something that they don't really mean. And then sitting with legs apart.